The Egyptian civilization developed along the banks of the River Nile. The Egyptians considered the annual floods of the Nile as a gift from the gods, because when the waters receded, the banks were covered with fertile silt where crops were planted. As the land was very fertile, the Egyptians were able to develop farming based on cereals, vegetables, and fruits. They also produced beer and wine. Papyrus was very important to the Egyptians. This plant grew in abundance on the marshy banks of the Nile. Papyrus was used to make boats, fabrics, rope, and also paper to write on. The existence of water and fertile land attracted farmers and herders, and agricultural production increased. Agricultural surplus caused an increase in the population, and other activities developed. As a result, the first cities originated. In the cities, the population was dedicated to the trade of surplus goods, such as agricultural products, linen fabric, and pottery. Consequently, the market economy was born. People began to produce more than they needed and to use that surplus to trade. To carry out trade, they transported their merchandise along the River Nile, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Red Sea. Cities became important political, religious, and trade centers. There were palaces, markets, and temples in the cities. In order to control all the activities, Egyptian society became more complex and hierarchical. It was led by nobles and priests, scribes and administrative officials, and the pharaoh was its supreme leader. Scribes had the function of controlling and recording all trade and administrative activities of the city. To do this, they developed writing, which only they mastered. This great economic, social, and cultural development shows just how important Egypt was. It was one of the first human civilizations.